Good evening, everybody. As you saw previously, I've been a little bit busy the last few weeks. I'd like you all to meet my daughter Alice. She was born at the beginning of January, and that's the reason why I've been pretty much off the internet and otherwise engaged. The last few weeks have been pretty intense, as everybody who has children of their own will know. It's been it's been a brilliant experience, but it's been very, very hard work. Thankfully everything is calming down now, so I'm just about feeling myself again. Mommy is doing great as well. She's recovering, getting stronger every day. And but I mean, just look at her. I mean, she's perfect, absolutely brilliant. So that was just a quick video from me, a video update, if you will, to let everyone know that my videos are still happening. They're just on a slower pace because other than actually having time to film it, I also have to try and find time to edit them, and time is very much so taken up with other things. But patience, I've got a few videos coming that I want to do. It's just a matter of trying to find the time. So yeah, thank you all, and we will see you some other time. So that was filmed about 2 weeks ago. I haven't even gotten time to edit it. As you can tell, the background of the video has changed because I am now in Dublin, and I have been in Dublin for about 5 days now. And the reason for that is that Alice is now in Crumlin Children's Hospital, and on a ventilator after literally going downhill in the space of 24 hours. So the video you saw previously was one that the previous bit of the video was how I was going to leave it until all of this happened. I didn't even get time to edit it before everything got turned upside down. So the idyllic feeling of new parenthood has changed into a slight feeling of powerlessness and sadness and despair, really. I don't think I'll be making any videos for the next few weeks anyways, until this whole saga unravels itself. But the story pretty much is that poor Alice is in the pediatric ICU on a ventilator with severe heart failure, and we're hopeful that we'll see some recovery in the next week or two. If not, we're gonna be looking at an arduous, long journey towards potentially a transplant. And it's pretty amazing when you think about how these things can change, because I'll put it over here on my left. This is pretty much the way that my wife found Alice on Wednesday morning, and the only symptom we really had was that she'd gone off her feet, and as you can see, she was struggling to breathe, so she was breathing very fast, and that was it. We found ourselves going to the GP thinking maybe a chest infection, but she didn't show any of the other symptoms. The GP said there is something not right, so let's get this checked out, and we found ourselves on our way to the Pediatric Assessment Unit in Cork University Hospital. And pretty quickly after arrival they did some tests, including an x-ray, and the x-ray showed that her heart was enlarged, and it was all systems go then. We were down in Crumlin at probably about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. whilst we waited for her to be transferred via a neonatal transfer unit. And the previous 4 to 5 days have just been a blur, really. We went from having a perfectly healthy, happy baby to one that is laying like a little porcelain doll on a ventilator. So yeah, so that's the story. I hope you'll forgive me that I won't be putting up any videos for until there's at least some improvement. And yeah, so if there's any change, I will let you know. So see ya.
The rough nights ain't leaving, so why the hell should we? And I say welcome to the family, welcome to the family, welcome to the family. You deserve love, you deserve love, you deserve love, you deserve love.